It's always about tips and tricks and techniques to get more things done, to do things faster, to be more productive, more efficient, and to work better. But if we really want to live a meaningful life, we have to once again reinfuse time management with philosophy. Why do we need to manage time? Some people might say it's because time is precious, very precious, so we need to manage it. But how precious is time exactly? I don't have time is the biggest lie in the history of mankind. We do have time, and time can be managed. It's just that we don't have a lot of it, so there have to be sacrifices.